What have you learned from this campaign and Delhi, the Delhi campaign, to go beyond Delhi to the other states? What are the challenges you're facing for the Aam Aadmi Party?
The first thing I've learned is how little I understand politics. Honestly, I mean, it's such a humbling experience. All that pretensions of expertise, and then you realize that politics is micro. And what we study is macro. It's of no use. Much of our wisdom is retrospective. Politics requires prospective judgment.
Right.
Much of we are focused on interpretation. The point here is to change and do things. So, I mean, that has really been a very humbling experience. In terms of our party and what we can do, look, there's a lot to be done. The challenge is huge. To be able to do something in Delhi city is one thing. We had deeper footprint in that area. It's an urban place, media saturated. Outside Delhi, it's a huge challenge.
So in this constituency, who is your main opponent? Is it the BJP, INLD, Congress?
The sense that I have from the ground and from the survey is that it's BJP versus Aam Aadmi Party. The incumbent member of parliament, Rao Inderjeet Singh, he has switched sides. He's gone over to the BJP. He continues to be the main rival.
Sir, he comes from Rewari. He's actually from the royal family. Does that help him in that area? So that's one of your districts. Because he's the ruling family there, or was the ruling family.
Has been
And
the
his
ruling
father's,
family for 6 decades. They are the Nehru-Gandhi dynasty of this area.
Yeah.
After some time, it turns against you. So there is enormous anger about non-performance. And the impression people have is that in some ways these ruling families ensure that the area remains backward so that there is not much protest against them. That's what the allegation is.
Many people say you'll be the next Chief Minister of Haryana. Is that your main aim?
That is, our main aim is assembly election and to have a breakthrough of the kind we had in Delhi. You see, basically the idea is over the next 5 years, we want to go state by state and become a viable political force in each state. In order to do that in Haryana, Lok Sabha election is the first step towards that. So being a viable political force, changing the nature of political competition, so that we count. That is a aim
in this
over the next 5 years, state after state. And this is just the beginning of that.